This is the look we are creating today. Very simple and easy. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell to get a notification every time I upload. Let's get started. I'm priming my eyelids with a lighter concealer because I want the eyeshadows to pop more on my eyelids, and I'm going on to blend it out with a blending brush. And then I set it in place with a lighter face powder. And I'm brushing off the excess powder on the eyelids. Starting off for the eyeshadow, I'm blending this yellow matte eyeshadow into the crease. It's not very pigmented, but I'm still going to work with it. I'm moving on to blend this dark green shade right into the crease. I went ahead to blend this pink eyeshadow into the crease as well, but it took some of the green eyeshadow, so I went back in to deepen it up. I'm now going to cut my crease halfway through. And I sprayed my brush because I wanted more pigments from the shadows. And I'm placing this sea blue eyeshadow in my tear dot. I went ahead to place a very deep, not very deep, but like a shade deeper than the first shadow I used on the lid itself. And I also placed this shimmer bluish shade also on the lid. I went ahead to blend everything out at the edges for the same green shadow I used earlier. And went back in with more of the pink because I wanted the pink to stand out, the pink and the yellow to stand out, but the yellow wasn't very pigmented, so I left it at that. I went off camera to do my base, and I'm back to the eyes, and I'm lining my waterline with this red pencil. And then applying the same deep green eyeshadow I placed on my crease to my waterline just to darken that area up. And I'm blending the edges with more of the pink. I'm applying mascara. I'm not going to apply lashes today, so I just wanted a very heavy coat of mascara on my lashes, both on the top lashes and bottom lashes as well. I went off camera to do the rest of my face, my highlight and my lipstick and everything. Don't forget to comment on what next you want to see on my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and then share my videos to your friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. Mwah.